Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today here I am, and today we're gonna take off these stock tail lights and put the black out tail lights.
Cool. So we already started on this side. We removed with little caps. You can use a tool like this one, and you gotta remove 3 of them to remove the panel. Once you remove that panel, you gotta also remove this one in here. You could access behind the tail light and remove the bolts. So after a lot of tugging and pulling with these different tools, we managed to remove this plastic thing here. And now you could access the bolts and nuts. Got rid of the 3 bolts. Now we just pull it back with some force. We removed one, and we're ready to install the one on the left. As you can see, this one already has a resistor. Ooh, some duct tape to protect the paint. Nice. Correction, masking tape. We're putting the nuts back on, and basically we're going to do the same thing to this side. But the only difference is that side had the resistor for the LED lights. You only need to put it on one. The Fastech kit, you only need to put the resistor to one side. So you go, guys. One side's done, and we'll have another video with everything, with both sides on it. So it makes a nice difference. We still have to do the right side. Definitely a nice upgrade that you should consider if you have a Camaro.
Yeah.
So like we did earlier, you could put masking tape here, prevent scratching your paint job as you're removing and placing the tail lights. Because once you remove the nuts from the back, you really have to use force to pull this tail light out, and by doing so, it's possible you could scratch your paint. So that's an idea. You could put masking tape down here. So remember, remove these 3 locks here, and one in here. It's a little tricky. And then you can pull back on this to reveal the nuts. That will allow you to remove this tail light. Yeah, we'll have another video later with everything finished. It's running out of battery here. But yeah, looking good so far.